In this video, we are going to see how you can create professional looking presentations using an AI tool called Tomi AI. Yes, you heard it right. We'll just type one prompt about a topic and the AI generates everything. It generates all the content, images and more. So let's get into it. So we are going to go to Tomi.app, which is the AI tool or website which we are going to use to create professional looking presentations using AI. So first let's click on Get Tomi for free. And now to log in into your Tomi account, you can either use your Google account or enter your email address and password. Once you have logged in and entered all your details, you'll be redirected to this home page of Tomi. And over here, you'll be able to see a lots of templates which you can use to create your presentation. But now we are going to create a presentation using AI. So let's go to create. And over here, you'll be able to see a lots of options. So over here, you can see add DALL-E tile, create page about, document to presentation, create presentation about. So you have lots of options to explore the AI. Now I'm going to click on create presentation about. Next, here you can choose your settings. So I'm going to select presentation. You can also select an outline or a story. And then in the images, this will determine the type of images in your presentation. So you have lots of art styles. You can just set it to auto if the AI will determine the art style and it will put it in the presentation. Or you can select no images. Next, over here you can type your presentation topic. So now my presentation is going to be about usage of AI in various industry. And now I can just click on enter and you can see that the AI is creating the whole presentation. And you can see that the presentation is created. You can click on try again if you want the AI to generate the presentation again, or you can click on keep if you want this presentation. So I'm going to click on keep, and over here you can see that it has generated 8 slides for this presentation. You can see the title is the rise of AI revolutionizing industries, and then you have all the pages, the title of the pages, and then you can see that we have lots of slides with proper content and also good images. You can see that AI has created. So these are AI generated images, and you can also see that AI has generated the title for each of these slides and also all the information, which creates a professional looking presentation. Now the great thing about this Tomi AI is that you can further customize this presentation. So over here you have 3 options. So first you can add a tile in this slide. So I'll just go over here and I'm going to click on add a tile, and you have lots of options. So if you want to add text, image, or if you want to create an AI generated image using DALL-E, or you can also insert a video in this presentation. So you have lots of options using which you can add many elements in this presentation. Next, you have this record button, and over here you can record your microphone. You can also use your camera, and you can just show the presentation and you can present it. Next, you have this themes icon. Over here you can set the theme for the full presentation. So you can see that we have the Tomi theme, and over here you can select it to be light, and you have lots of options. You can also create your own custom color over here, and you can select the proper color for your presentation. And then you have lots of settings for the heading. You can choose the font for your heading. You can make it bold, medium, regular, and you have lots of options over here for the font. And you can also change the font color to any color you want. So you can just go over here and set it to somewhat like this color, a dark blue. You can also enable the auto color option, using which the AI selects its color on their own. Next, you can go to the page section and you have all the other settings again. And at last you can click on save theme, and then you can put the theme name. Next, you can select the images in this presentation. You can just click on it, and then you'll get an extra option here called DALL-E settings. So Tomi is using the OpenAI DALL-E to create images in this presentation, and you can see that Tomi has used this prompt to create the professional looking image for this page. So if you want, you can edit this prompt and you can generate another image if you feel this is not right for the presentation. So I'm just going to select all of this, and I'm going to put a simple prompt for DALL-E to generate. So I'll put a futuristic bank and I'll click on generate. You can see that DALL-E has generated lots of images for this prompt, and you can just click on one of the image and you can see that it is changed over here in the presentation. If you feel that these images are not good for the presentation and they don't look professional, you can use another AI image generator tool called Midjourney. So you can use that tool to generate AI art, and then you can upload it in Tomi. Next, you have a commands icon here, using which you have lots of options. So for example, if you can add an image, you can add text, DALL-E tile, and you also have options to add video and tables to this presentation in this slide. And you have lots of other tools, like you can add a Twitter tile, etc. like this. Now if you want to add a new slide in this presentation, you can click on this icon, create a page about, and then you can select the art style again. So let's say I want to add a slide about how AI is dangerous, and now I can just click on enter, and you can see that it is creating the page. Now you can see that it has created the page, and I can just click on keep, and you can see that we have the title, how AI can be dangerous. You also have the content and also the image over here. Over here you can see that we have a new option called document to presentation, which is in beta version. So if I click on that, you can first paste a whole document, and then you can just generate all the content, and then it will turn it into a PowerPoint presentation. So I'll just paste the document like this. So you can see that I have the whole content for this essay, and you can just paste it over here and click on generate. So if you want, you can also generate all this using AI tools like ChatGPT and Bing AI. So now I'll click on generate, and you can see that it is generating the presentation from the document. You can see that over here it has created 6 slides, and I think it has created a short PowerPoint presentation, but the problem over here is that it has no images. As this is still in beta version, I think it will get improved over time. Next, while creating presentations using Tomi, you also have the option to create a story or an outline. So if I go to create presentation about, over here you can select story, and I'm just going to enter the title of the story, which is going to be how AI takes over the world. And now I'll just click on enter, and you can see that the AI is generating the story, and it will turn it into this presentation. You can see that the AI has created a whole story out of this. You can see that we have a story, and each slide shows the scenes in the story and the events which are happening in the story. Now to preview your presentation, you can click on this play icon, and over here you'll be able to see your presentation, and you can just move on to the different slides like this. Now to share this presentation with different people, you can click on this share button, and you can enter the emails to whom you want to share, and then you can select the option like full access or can play. So if you select can play, it is view only or read only, and if you select full access, he can view it, and he can also edit the presentation and also the comment feature. Next, you can also copy the link, and then you can share this link with anyone so that they can view the presentation. Next, you can use AI to create videos, images, music, 3D models, and the list is endless. So watch my short 1-minute videos about all these AI tools.
السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.